What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight T stand up. I'm too high to remember. I think it's November. We have acts of kindness that will restore your faith in humanity. Let's check it out.
Of an NBA game, one of the Philadelphia 76ers cheerleaders was surprised by her boyfriend in a beautiful homecoming moment in which she didn't even know he was in the country.
No,
lit.
he was in the United States, so
Lit.
needless to say, it was a big surprise. Hats off to the 76ers organization.
A probably very scary and anxiety.
Yo, why was that motherfucking mascot trying to cock block in his back? That man, bro, that mascot tried to cock block. He was like,
A probably very scary and anxiety-filled moment for a train passenger happened when he misstepped and got his leg stuck in the gap. And in a very touching humanity moment, everyone got out of the train to help him by pushing the train for him to be able to squeeze his leg out.
oh, that's lit as heck. I like that. Alright, bro, no offense. Like, look, I like the act of kindness, but you see this person right here in the gray, like, what is this little push gonna do? What is this little push gonna do? You can't even move a damn paper. You can't even
though mountain goats are not the friendliest animals, when a cyclist noticed that a goat got his horn wrapped around a tree, he took the risk and decided to help the animal. And it was awesome to see when the goat finally managed to get free.
Alright, so I'm not helping no goat like that. A goat's supposed to be goated, bro, and know how to get out of that.
Even though some people find bees to be scary, they usually never sting for no reason. When a Redditor found a tired bumblebee, she decided to give the bee some lavender, and it's amazing to watch the bee in action.
Oh, that's how they be eating and shit?
During a football match in Houston, footballer Rachel Daly suddenly collapsed from what seemed to be a heat stroke.
Oh,
All her
no.
teammates and even the opposite team went immediately to check on her, which was a very beautiful moment of sportsmanship and humanity.
I remember when I had a heat stroke one time. That shit's scary. Be hydrated.
At the 2015 Rugby World Cup Finals, a young fan tried running towards his idol Sonny Bill Williams and got tackled by the security just a few feet away from him.
Bro, what a bitch ass nigga, bro. First of all, bro. Come on, bro. Look, I know it's not okay to just run on the field for safety reasons. They have to do their job.
2015 Rugby World
Bro,
Cup
a
Finals,
kid, bro. There was a kid that ran on the court with Carmelo Anthony one time. They didn't do
One
that.
fan tried running.
Bro, look at this nigga, man. Like, what's wrong with this man? This dude is a literally bronze menace to society, bro. The reason why you're not getting a goal because that's your job to do that. But, bro,
Towards his idol Sonny Bill Williams and got tackled by the security just a few feet away from him. And well, in a very kind gesture, Sonny decided to stop the security and give the fan his medal.
that's lit as heck, yo. I like that, yo.
When a DHL delivery guy went to deliver a package, he noticed that another package was delivered and left it in the open, which can be a risk of someone seeing it and stealing it, so he decided to hide the other package as well.
I like that. Oh, when it's time for me to cop a house, mailman does that for me, man. I mean, shit, I'm being
signs for her hearing impaired father.
triple gated area anyway, so. But still, you know what I'm saying?
A beautiful moment to watch was when two high schoolers decided to give some clothes away to a classmate who was made fun of due to what he wears to school.
They surprised him with a new pair of shoes, a shirt, and belt. Todd had been bullied at school
I like
because of
that.
his clothes. Well, the video of their heartwarming gesture has been viewed.
Hey, I still wear my shorts under my pants, though. There ain't
And
nothing
well,
wrong
the
with
video
that.
of the generous act from the high schoolers went extremely viral, and they were invited to the Ellen Show, in which all three of them were surprised by none other than Will Smith himself.
Hey! Will Smith's goated. If I was Will Smith, bro, I would have moved on, bro.
Wildlife without
Bro, if I was Will Smith straight up, bro, I would have moved on if I was him bossed up and just got me you know what I'm saying, another chick, bro. And like, hey, man, you take good,
intervening. But when they saw
take
a
good
group
ways,
of trapped
man, like-
penguins that couldn't make their way up the hill back to their
All props
colony,
to you.
BBC's Dynasty's crew couldn't
Will Smith
resist
too goated
and
and
dig a
bossed
path
up,
for
bro.
them to
Come
go
on,
up and survive.
They realise that they may be able to save at least some of them.
So hopefully they'll just make their way.
Oh, they
back
saved
to
some
the
penguins.
Them and their chicks will have a much better chance of survival because there's no chance they were going to survive down there at all.
When a fighter was clearly winning the MMA match in the octagon, his opponent didn't even seem to be defending or reacting properly, and the referee wasn't stopping the match. And that's when the fighter decided to just tap out himself to avoid causing serious injury to his opponent.
Nah, bro, I ain't doing that. The ref tried to get me off, bro, because he could have used it as a strategy. What?
An undocumented
You tapped out, that means you lost.
France for a better life was walking down the streets of Paris. He saw a child about to fall from the balcony, and without hesitation climbed up to the 4th floor of the building.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First of all, what is this nigga in the top doing right here? Like, grab the child. What are you doing? Bro, this dude is crazy right here. Why didn't them dudes up there grab the child, bro?
Everyone was so
Watch
touched
your
about
kids,
the video
bro.
that even the president of France saw it and offered him French citizenship for his exceptional actions. An amazing moment to watch was when footballer Neymar made a referee's day when he posed with him for a few pictures, and you can see it totally made the ref's day. An amazing gesture from actor Ryan Reynolds happened when a fan attempted to get a response from his idol by starting a thread called Day 1 of Tweeting Until Ryan Reynolds Answers. And well, he actually responded almost instantly by saying, "Nailed it on minute 1. Congratulations and wash your hands." When the wildfires occurred in Australia a couple months ago, many animals were left without a home. In a beautiful moment to watch, the Australian firefighter gave a thirsty koala a drink.
Oh, I thought koalas were extinct. Nice, man. And I thought they were black and white.
When Belarusian tennis player Azarenka saw that her opponent twisted her
thirsty-ass
ankle
koala.
and was forced to forfeit the match, in a peak moment of sportsmanship and compassion, she started to console her opponent and even had a long talk with her after, telling her everything was going to be okay.
That's nice.
Tennis players, one of them is hurt.
With around 3 billion people watching the World Cup that happens every 4 years, it's definitely a very big event. In the semifinals of Croatia versus England, some firefighters were watching what was about to be the winning penalty kick, but emergency called, and without hesitation they all stood up and went to rescue.
Oh, I like that. This dude's still over here watching the game, bro. Fire this nigga. Wherever they had to go, they better have saved everybody because this
Some
dude
people
just sat
often
there.
don't realize
Or was
how
he
their
working
actions
it?
affect the environment around them. When someone threw a cheese ball tub into a lake, a swimming bear got his head stuck on the tub. Luckily for the bear, Brady and Trisha Hurt spotted the struggling bear and saved his life.
Bro, you're saving a bear's life, bro. You're crazy.
We saved our little bear.
You're crazy, bro. Cause that bear wouldn't do the same for you. That shit
When the
will eat
driver
your
made
head
a
off.
gap to let a truck in, it was awesome to see the truck driver flashing his lights as a thank you.
Truck drivers do be assholes, no cap. Half of my road rage comes from truck drivers.
When a woman who was in a bad economic situation and had to sell a ring her mother gave to her for money, the jeweler noticed that the woman was bummed about having to sell it. So the salesman gave her the money for the ring, and gave her the ring back too. And the woman and her kids were in complete disbelief.
That shit's sad as fuck, yo. I like that. And keep the ring. I like that. That's nice.
An amazing picture to watch is when FSU football player Travis Rundolph spotted one of the kids sitting alone during his visit to a middle school, and that's when Rundolph decided to sit next to him. And the next day the mother wrote him a letter explaining that her kid has autism and doesn't have many friends, so it made her kid's day.
I like that. I like that. I'm doing that type of shit. I'm trying to do that type of shit, yo. That'll be lit as heck. I like that right there. Just pull up to, you know what I'm saying, the schools, you know, that, hey, damn, you know, hey, that's my video. If you see anybody do that video idea, they got it from me, you know what I'm saying? But I like that right there, you know what I'm saying? Definitely one thing with 2021, you know what I'm saying, expansion-wise when it comes to, like, content, like, for the main channel, other than, like, you know what I'm saying, you know, basketball and stuff, I definitely, you know what I'm saying, you know, obviously outside of, you know, music, you know, and basketball, I definitely want to do more, like, IRL stuff, but, like, stuff that hasn't been done before and that's not cringe and stuff, and I like this, you know what I'm saying? sitting next to people that are sitting by themselves at lunch or something like that. Like,
Boy ate
I like that.
because he sat across from someone who was a hero in many eyes. At school
That pizza
today,
looking bomb as fuck
all the
too.
kids wanted to have lunch.
Now everybody following the lead now.
When a pregnant
You
woman
look
suddenly
cool as
went into
heck.
labor, the husband tried to stop some cars with no success, until a kind person stopped and helped him carry her into his car and drove the couple to the hospital.
That's crazy.
An amazing moment to watch was when a couple missed their garbage pickup time, and the sanitation worker actually went out of his way to take it to the area for the truck to pick it up. And the next time he passed, the couple gave him a $50 gift card as a thank you. When Amanda Skeels was in the beach in Florida, she managed to capture on camera an incredible act of kindness of two men risking themselves in order to save a shark who seemed to be stuck on the shore.
Bro,
and
imagine
couldn't get back to the
saving a
water.
shark, bro. They would not do that to you, bro.
At the peak of his career, Mike Tyson, also known as Iron Mike, had a punching power equivalent to dropping a 200-pound anvil from 5 feet high.
Damn.
So when he landed a right hand on his opponent, he immediately went to see if his opponent was okay, before celebrating the win. In a very
Good guy, Mike.
heartwarming moment, a colorblind student was surprised by his teacher, who happens to also be colorblind, by lending him his glasses for him to be able to see colors for the first time.
Oh, that's
Put the
dope. I didn't know they
glasses
had
on, he
inventions
immediately
like that.
started to tear up from happiness.
I didn't know that was invented.
Awesome. Hey, come here. Come here, dude.
When this woman wakes up every morning, she goes outside to wave to the school bus that passes by every day. So the bus driver and the kids decided to do something special for the lady's birthday, and her reaction was priceless.
Thank you. Have a great weekend. I hope it is.
When a runner lost her car keys during one of her daily runs, a random kind person noticed there were some car keys on the ground and placed many sticks around the keys, for when the runner came back looking for them, she wouldn't miss them.
That's lit as hell. Shit. That's just amazing. Coming on with us, Desmond on the road 3 million.